Ever found yourself wandering aimlessly in the labyrinth of DIY marketing, feeling as though you're losing more than just time and money, but also the chance to connect with your audience? It's time to rethink the game plan. Imagine a world where your business thrives not just on the quality of your product or service, but on the strength of your strategic marketing. A world where you're not just another face in a crowded marketplace, but a brand that resonates, captivates, and drives sales. This is the world we build at Creative Edge Consultants. For over half a century, our team has honed the art of marketing and consulting. We've fused our collective wisdom with innovative, forward-thinking strategies, creating tailored solutions that elevate brands to new heights. Our expertise? Driving targeted leads, maximizing conversion rates, and boosting your bottom line. But it's not just about numbers. It's about creating a meaningful connection with your audience, a connection that converts casual browsers into loyal customers. What sets us apart from the rest, you ask? Well, we're not just a team of seasoned professionals. We're also proud to be veteran-owned and operated. We bring the same discipline, dedication, and strategic thinking that served us well in the military to the world of business. We're ready to go to battle for your brand, armed with our expertise in WordPress, HTML, and other design software. We understand that every business is unique, and so are its needs. That's why we offer affordable pricing and quick project turnaround times without compromising on quality. And we're not just here for you during office hours. We offer full support and flexible working hours because we know that the world of business never sleeps. So, are you ready to break free from the maze of DIY marketing? Are you ready to connect with your audience like never before? Are you ready to get your edge? It's time to take the next step. Visit us at youredge.info and discover how we can help you redefine your marketing strategy and elevate your brand. Because at Creative Edge Consultants, your success is our mission. Don't miss out on the chance to connect, captivate, and conquer your market. Get your edge today.